Welcome back to Health Insights. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of star anise, uncovering its hidden health secrets that might just surprise you. So, grab a seat, brew yourself a cup of tea, and let's explore the wonders of this remarkable spice. Star anise, with its distinctive star shape and potent aroma, has long been cherished not only for its culinary uses, but also for its impressive array of health benefits. Let's delve into 10 surprising benefits that star anise brings to the table. 1. Immune-boosting power. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, star anise helps strengthen your immune system, protecting your body from harmful pathogens and keeping illnesses at bay. 2. Digestive aid. This spice has been traditionally used to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its natural compounds can help soothe the stomach and promote healthy digestion. 3. Respiratory health support. Star anise contains compounds that have been shown to ease respiratory conditions like coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. It's often used in herbal remedies to alleviate respiratory discomfort. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, star anise can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially easing conditions like arthritis and promoting overall well-being. 5. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Studies suggest that star anise exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective against various bacterial and fungal infections. It can be used both internally and externally to combat infections. 6. Pain relief. The active compounds in star anise may have analgesic properties, providing relief from pain and discomfort. It's often used in traditional medicine to alleviate headaches, menstrual cramps, and muscle aches. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Research indicates that star anise may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It can help stabilize glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 8. Skin health. Star anise contains antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds that can benefit your skin. Whether consumed internally or applied topically, it may help reduce acne, promote a youthful complexion, and soothe irritated skin. 9. Rich in essential nutrients. Beyond its medicinal properties, star anise is also packed with essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining overall health and vitality. 10. Culinary delight. Last but not least, let's not forget the culinary delights that star anise offers. From adding depth to savory dishes like soups and stews to infusing desserts with its sweet, licorice-like flavor, this spice brings a unique and delightful taste to any recipe. So there you have it, the captivating health secrets of star anise. Whether you're sipping it in a soothing tea or incorporating it into your favorite dishes, this humble spice has much to offer in terms of both flavor and wellness. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.